Charge sheet is being filed in 2022. How do you really look at this?
Finally, they have filed a charge sheet now, sir.
Suppose they are supposed to file a charge sheet within 60 days. Normally, when I go to, they send me to judicial custody. By 60 days, normally they file. But now they did not file since I got the bail. Well, they have taken a very long time to file the charge sheet. Now the matter is between me and the court. I believe in the law of the land. I believe in the court. Court will give me justice. I am very confident that I have not done anything wrong. It is a politically instigated case. Purely politics. Anything is there. I am a businessman by profession. As I have said you earlier also, not that I am an agriculturist, by profession I am a businessman. So by passion I am a politician. By choice I am an education. I have done this already. So now also I would like to tell that they are bound to do the charge sheet. It was a little bit late, but they have done it.
So the finally charge sheet has
It
been.
is between me and the court now.
So they're trying to threaten you feel, because
Feel that, sir?
elections are coming in Karnataka.
So you know their style of functioning. They have the entire organizations with them. And they're just trying to have it in their own way.
So you had expressed apprehensions that there could be some trouble coming your way ahead of the elections. Now with the charge sheet being filed, do you feel those apprehensions are coming closer?
I don't see. Now the matter is in the court. Now the matter is in the court on this CVD case. Still one case, BJP has given them a permission for my disappeared asset case. That also they have filed the ECR in the ED. They will start on that issue. I already have given my reply to all the CVD. Already every month, every year I am filing my returns. I don't know how they are taking up, since even the Advocate General also at that point of time had said that it is not a fit case. There are so many other disappointed cases. When they could have done in ECP, they have given to CBI.
Sir, and
Sir,
a lot of
sir.
BJP leaders were predicting that DK Shivakumar will again go to prison. Do you think this is the first step that they are doing in that, because they were predicting the future?
It's been told by Ashwath Narayan and the Sunil Kumar and others.